Alright guys, day 1136 and we are finishing week 15 of Run LA Marathon Plan. Today I'm supposed to run 6.5 miles, but to be honest with you, I'm so tired. I don't think I can do it, but I will try. We had a snowstorm last night, so it's pretty bad. Okay, finally got to Central Park. It's messy, man. Sidewalks are messy, so if you're out there today, just be careful. But the park is beautiful. So white everywhere, snow everywhere. Very cool view, and it's not freezing cold. I'm wearing my sweatshirt today, but yeah, very nice. Yeah, so I'm so tired. My entire body is sore, and I have been running 70 miles for the past few weeks, and I'm like overwhelmingly tired. Oh my god. But I'm so happy that tomorrow we start week 16, and it's like a down week, so I'm dropping from 70 miles to 40-ish miles. I'm just happy about that. Central Park is so impressive because there was a lot of snow last night, and all the paths are like clean. It's already clean. Just hit my O2, K53, and the pond is frozen. I got a question for you guys. Let's just see if we are in the same boat, because I run a lot, I run every day, but every time that I go on a long run, like 20 plus miles, man, it's a lot. It's like when I hit 18, 17, like 18, 20, man, I'm just praying to be done so I can go home. And sometimes I even ask myself, like, how I was able to finish a marathon if I'm struggling to finish 20 miles. Does that happen with you guys too? Let me know. I just want to make sure that's just like it's not only me with these feelings. Mile 3, that was 8:54, and now we're getting to the Great Lawn. This week I had a crazy workout around the Great Lawn. I ran 20 times 400 meters around the Great Lawn. It was crazy. That was Thursday. But I gotta say, I'm not a big fan of snow. But this is like, it's beautiful.
I saw his mother laugh.
Yes, Mile 4, 8:40. I was supposed to do like 6.7 miles, but I know that I have a little over a mile before I get home. So 5 mile-ish is pretty good for today. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, 5.25 miles, and we are back. So much snow around here. It's so good that I started my run like feeling bad, like feeling my body like sore and so slow. But now that we're done, I feel great. I'm just glad that I got to go out and do what I had to, and I hope you can do the same. So yeah, enjoy another day. See you guys next time.